What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
We're out here hunting again, and
Yeah,
we got
a few birds. We got the rabbit this morning,
yes.
little bunny, and we said we're gonna go move to another spot and see if we can get some birds. We got
Here's
some
our
birds. Here's our kills. I don't know if you can see them. Probably can.
And then here's the guns that we use. It's the Remington Vantage and the Beeman RS2.
Yes.
Yeah, we got one dove. We got 3 woodpeckers,
Yes.
and then just a little Tweety bird that was, just flying. And yeah. So
All right. See you guys next time.
All right, later.